Hey everyone, Richard Romes here, and today I stayed at the Bloc Hotel in Gatwick Airport, so let's take a look at the room together. I stayed here on Saturday 24th of June 2023, and I stayed for one night. This is a Vista Room. It cost me £152.10, and I booked it direct through their website in 3 months in advance. You do get rooms in this hotel that overlook the runways. I'm on a 7th floor, and this is the view I had from my room. The room is pretty compact but comfortable. You have a double bed against the window with a TV at the end mounted into the wall. It's very similar in style to the Premier and Hub hotels, so if you stayed in any of these, you kind of know what to expect. The compact theme continues in the bathroom, as it's a wet room, so your shower is built into the room and not a standalone. It does have a rainfall shower head, as well as a more traditional spray head if you prefer that. The wall in the bathroom is mirrored, so it kind of makes the room feel a little bit bigger than it is. The control for the lights and the window blind are in the wall next to the bed, and there was a couple of complimentary water bottles in the room. So when it gets to your check-in time, they email you a web link, which takes you to a control page for your room. This allows you to unlock the front door, put the blinds up or down, adjust the temperature in the room, and switch on the TV, all from the convenience of your phone. You don't even need to visit reception to check in, as it tells you which room number you're in and allows you to access the lift to get to your floor. If you click access, you can unlock the door from outside. There's also a lift call button to gain access to the secured floor with your room on it. If you hit lights, you have access to all the lights in the room. You can control them all together or choose which ones to put on or off individually. If the temperature in the room is not to your liking, you can adjust this as well. The lowest it goes to is 20 degrees, but this is still pretty comfortable. You can also switch on the TV, you can change the volume and the channel from your phone, so it's good if you lose that remote in the room. The other option is to control the window blind, which you can close fully, open part way, or even open it fully up, depending on your preference. It is a blackout blind, so if you're trying to rest after a long flight or before one, then this is going to make your room dark enough to sleep in during the day. Okay, so there's no tea or coffee in this room. I think the Vista Plus room you get tea and coffee in the room already. This room there isn't. You do get a couple of bottles of water though. If you do want a hot drink, there is a machine down the hall. As you exit the lift on floor 7, turn left and the first door you come to is the tea and coffee machine room. Here they have a Nescafe coffee machine with several options, ranging from Americanos and lattes to mochas and hot chocolate, as well as hot water for tea. You have tea bags, sugar and sweetener available. It uses takeaway cups and lids so you can take it back to your room, or just get a cheeky drink before you check out in the morning.
Good morning. So I just wanted to pop on here and tell you how I slept last night. The bed is fairly comfortable. one of the drawbacks I would say is the pillows feel quite small. So you get 4 of these pillows, but as you can see they're quite puffy, but they're a bit small overall. So you know, you can arrange them, but if you have more than one person sleeping in this bed, it's probably going to be hard to get comfy with only 4 small pillows. The mattress itself is quite firm, but it's comfortable enough to sleep on. I did turn off the climate control in the night because it was humming. I wanted a bit more quiet and silence, but I noticed that the room got very hot, so I ended up having to put that back on about 3 o'clock this morning when I woke up, and it was a bit warm. So just bear in mind you might need to leave the aircon on, otherwise the rooms do get fairly warm. So overall, this room's been alright. It's not a bad hotel to stay in. It's really convenient for Gatwick Airport, so if you are flying from Gatwick, you're literally at the departures of South Terminal. So if you fly from South Terminal, you don't have to go far in the morning. Really good location, really decent hotel. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, and why not subscribe to the channel and see what else we get up to. Thanks very much. Bye for now.